Welcome to Khagolam Institute, Mumbai, India. This presentation will give you information about the drone surveying courses available at Khagolam. There are multiple training courses and prerequisites differ from course to course. In general, land surveyor, mapping professionals, forest surveyors and mining surveyors who has a little bit of experience in land surveying can attend these courses. And who should not attend these courses? Who wants to do the surveillance, photography or modeling or tasks like kind of pizza delivery by drones? This course is not designed for them. Let me explain you all these aerial surveying courses with Khagolam. First is an orientation course on drone surveying. It has 2 days duration. This course is designed for senior working professionals, surveying managers, directors, and even students or freshers who are curious to know how drone surveying works, but are not doing day-to-day surveying operations. End of the drone survey orientation course, you will understand the complete workflow of drone land surveying. That covers land survey drone flight planning, land surveying flight execution, processing drone data, and exploring the drone surveying output. This course has a one-flight demo in GNSS mode. Flight execution will be demonstrated by the instructor. Another course is surveying with an RTK drone. It has 5-day duration. It covers drone surveying orientation course completely. This course is designed for experienced land surveying professionals, mapping professionals, forest surveyors, and mine surveyors who are already doing land surveying with TS-DGPS instruments. Mapping professionals who have knowledge in GIS mapping can also benefit from this training. There will be 3 flights with practicals in the course. Participants themselves will perform practical tasks such as the flight planning, land survey flight execution in GNSS, RTK as well as in PPK mode. Participants will collect a GCP and process the data with GCP and without GCP, understanding the accuracy difference in RTK, non-RTK, and PPK mode. In this course, you will learn how to fly in existing survey control network so that complete surveying integrity can be maintained without compromising hybrid survey accuracy. Alternatively, you can also fly using a Survey of India (CORS) network for RTK PPK drone land surveying. There is one more course, Diploma in Drone Surveying and Mapping. This course is designed for the freshers, land surveyors and civil engineering students. This course has 3 months duration and also can be completed in fast-track mode in 1 month. In this course, you will learn from basic of surveying and mapping fundamentals to the intermediate level. The course completely covers the other 2 course contents. Additionally, surveying GIS software training from basic. After completing this course, you can produce traditional topographical surveying maps with AutoCAD and GIS softwares, manipulate the LiDAR point cloud with software tools, produce classified point cloud, orthophoto, DTM, DSM, generate ground contours, calculate volume and so on. You can grab very good job opportunities in the market after this course. Based on your experience level and profession, you need to choose the right course. If you are still now clear which course to do, then best thing to join the 2-day course. After that, you yourself can make a decision about what you need to learn more in depth. For any queries, please feel free to contact us. Contact details are given in the description. The course teaches you flight planning and execution for land surveying sites. Also how to choose the right drone for your land surveying requirement. There are so many drone options available in India, which best suits you. Understand the specifications of the land surveying drone. In flight planning, you will understand the different applications of grid mode, linear mode, and terrain-aware mode flight plans. You will use different proprietary and open-source flight planning apps to do flight planning. You will also learn the accuracy consideration for surveying purposes, GCP planning strategies for RTK and non-RTK flights, and how to plan estimate a drone survey job. After doing flight planning, you will go on the field and execute the drone land survey flight. Each participant will have having separate flight for the execution. After flight execution, you will download and process data with and without GCP in software like Drone Deploy Pix4D. Consideration for LiDAR photogrammetric point cloud processing. You will understand the difference between LiDAR point measurement and calculated photogrammetric point. While processing, you can also make use of Survey of India (COR's) network data. This is a very common demand nowadays. From drone data processing, we get outputs like point cloud, orthophoto, DTM, DSM, and contours. Many times, finished ground contours are not produced by this processing software. In that case, you will do point cloud manipulation to get correct ground contours. From processed data, feature extraction, contour generation, and digitization tasks can be performed. You will be using LiDAR point cloud manipulation software to do this. Land surveyors are very familiar with CSV files, and the rest of the job is very much known to them, like preparing topographical maps, generating L-section, cross-section, etc. You will learn how to get data in CSV format from drone processing, like you get from total station surveys. Using processed data, contour generation, volumetric calculation, L-section, and cross-section generation can be done. You can calculate volume with the base surface datum or by considering the difference between two surfaces. Most importantly, to understand the business scope of drone surveying, job work planning, and estimating the cost. You will also go through the drone surveying tender document and understand the scope of work step by step. Estimate how much effort are required, which drone instrument best fits work needs, how much time it will take to complete the job work. You will go through a complete step-by-step process for estimating and understanding the workflow of the drone land surveying tender. In these courses, you will learn the complete workflow of land surveying with drones. I hope this explanation will give you an idea and help you to choose the right course. Here are the frequently asked questions. Question: what make and model will be used for the training?
Answer: we are using Phantom 4 RTK with GNSS mobile base station. If you have your own drone, you can carry that and perform practicals using your own drone.
Question: does the course fee include accommodation?
Answer: no, but we can help you to book the accommodation near to the institute. You need to pay for it on your own.
Question: can participants plan and fly drone on their own?
Answer: yes, in 5 days and 3 months course includes a practical flight for every participant, where today's course participants can see the demo on flying.
Question: will I get a certificate after completing the course?
Answer: yes, you get a certificate after completing the course.
Question: do I get a DGCA pilot license after the course?
Answer: no, you have to apply separately for a DGCA license. It was just about the fundamentals of aerodynamics and air traffic control systems. It does not include the drone land survey training. Hence, even if you have a DGCA pilot license, this course will be beneficial to you. Many people with having DGCA pilot license did this course.
Question: does it cover LiDAR payload data processing?
Answer: it will cover LiDAR payload data processing. The processing software is very identical to the photogrammetric point cloud and LiDAR point cloud. You will learn how to process the LiDAR data and the difference between photogrammetry and the LiDAR point cloud data.
For any queries, please feel free to contact us. Contact details are given in the description. We do provide on-site corporate drone surveying training, if there are more than 10 participants. You might be also interested in our other courses on surveying and GIS, including total station surveying, DGPS surveying, and GIS software training. Please visit our website for more details or refer the link given in the description. Feel free to contact us for help and to know about the batch schedule and course fees. Thank you very much for watching this video.